So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and today we are going to make a holy pichkari. So now let's go. So guys, things required are submersible pump, pipe, power bank or battery, paper cutter, USB cable, sketch pens, pen caps, wires and a bottle. So now let's begin. Now take the sketch pens and with the help of paper cutter, cut the upper part. After removing the upper part, remove the back portion of the sketch pen and make a small hole in the middle of the sketch pen. So now take the bottle and make two holes. So you can see I made the two holes. And now take the submersible pump and connect it with the pipe and pass it through the hole. So as you can see that I have fixed the submersible pump with a pipe and passed it from the bottle. Now same we have to do from the other side. So as you can see I have fixed both the submersible pumps with pipes inside the bottle, and now with the help of glue gun or MC, cover the holes and make it waterproof. You can also see I have extended the wires of the submersible pump, and now let's get to the main connection. So guys, now connect both the positive wires together of the submersible pump and both the negatives together. So you can see I have connected both the wires together. Now take some more wires and connect it with the positive and negative wires. So you can see now I have connected both the wires. One is positive and other is negative. Now take a USB cable and cut it from the bottom and connect it with the both wires. Now take the T-joint which we have made and take the pipes connected from the submersible pump and connect on the T-joint. After connecting both the pipes, take an extra pipe and connect on the T side. So now you can see I have connected the pipes from the T-joint. Cut the wire, and here you can add a switch or something which I am going to tell you. Take two coins and stick the wire which you have cut on the coins, which will act as a switch. So now you can see I have connected, and this is how it looks. Now take the pen cap and attach on the last pipe. This will act as a long range for the water, and the switch we will attach on the hand gloves. And this is our bottle, means our pichkari. Now take the gloves and with the help of double-sided tape attach the coins, and which will make it as a Spider-Man web shooter. Now take an empty bag and take our pichkari and close the upper lid with the help of the bottle cap, and then place it inside the bag. Now take the power bank, connect the USB cable and also keep it inside the bag. The pump will be started and you can hear the sound. Now you can see it is working very properly. So guys, you can see I have came on the roof, and this is our pichkari and the bottle. I have taken an extra bottle with colored water to fill our pichkari, and this is our USB cable and the power bank. Now let's connect it, and you can see our switch. So guys, you can see I filled it with water, and as I touch the coins, you can see the flow of water, and you can notice that it is very slow because my one submersible pump is not working. So now I have to make some changes for the flow of the water. So now you can see I made the changes, and here is our not working one pump, and now I have only attached with a single pipe and a single motor. Now let's test it. You can see the flow of the water is coming out, and it's quite high pressure. The range of the water is like 2 meters, and it's good for the small pitchkari. You can also use a high pressure submersible pump. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share. So guys, thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share to my channel, and happy Holi to all. Thank you.
Yeah.